Hello everyone. Today, this charming property in Meadowbrook Estate features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, thoughtfully arranged as 2 separate units. One unit offers a self-contained 1-bedroom suite with its own bathroom and kitchen, while the other includes a spacious 2-bedroom apartment with its own bathroom and kitchen. It's the perfect design for a comfortable living with the added benefit of an income-generating unit. The yard is beautifully fruited with guava, Jamaican apple, pomegranate, soursop, and a variety of medicinal plants. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $40 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.